Hi everyone, Sam here from the Genuine Futures family, here back in Bolton at Park School, here on Charlie New Road. Grew up on these streets. Joining with me today is Mr Bennett. Mr Bennett, you was part of the meeting, motivating, inspiring speakers with myself and Mike and Genuine Futures. How did you find that?
Yeah, it's really good that you could both share real personal stories about your childhoods and experiences gone on after that, and how from bad places that you managed to find the strength to determination to make success, where unfortunately different people haven't managed to do that. So I think it's really good for our pupils to get the real life story and to see that things can go wrong, but then you can get success.
What do you think the takeaways for the young people today listening?
They're not on their own. So what happens to them happens to other people. There's experience out there, people who can help and support them in difficulties. But also, with the right, if they're motivated, they've got an idea, there's also people to help them be creative, be successful, to actually make a future for themselves.
So what do you think are the challenges that young people face today, and what in terms of your working with young people, what do you think what's needed more of?
I think a lot of them have had the self-belief challenged by various parts of society, that they don't believe in themselves anymore. They don't believe that they're worth anything because they're not getting that, and they just so it's about having people who believe in, but opportunities that isn't just school based. Everyone has to fit into the school system, and education is super important, but people need something else as well as that, and it's getting that extra as well as the academic.
It's the vocational side that kind of bridges that gap, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's transitioning them from that classroom into real world opportunities. And I think, we've spoke about it today, the opportunities that we've got with Genuine Futures. How do you think that could really benefit the pupils that you've challenged?
I mean, access to hands-on training, I think is superb, because it's like a try before you buy. And they can give it a go, and they don't have to worry, oh, is this my job, my apprenticeship? You get supported, and they go like, you know what, that I don't like, but this I love. And that's the biggest sort of gift, is to let them try things, and if it doesn't go, they can do something else.
No, thank you. I really appreciate your comments. And just for any other organisations out there, Mr. Bennett, what would you say to them about what you've experienced today, and what would you recommend us to them?
Yeah, you guys you've got a lot of knowledge about the real world, what goes on, the good, the bad, and the ugly, and you know how to support people and to be successful. And you've got so much experience to help people in so many different stages of their life.
No, I really appreciate it, and thank you for your time today, Mr. Bennett. Thank you. Nice to speak to you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
On the yard at the scrappers, where engines used to fade, we built a hub of hope where futures can be made. Bucket sponges, steady hands, graft beneath the sun. Young voices rising, proving change has just begun. When we shine, Bolton shines, every car washed, every